Welcome back to Module 2, Physics. In this video, we cover statics, forces, moments, and couples, the building blocks for understanding how structures and controls stay in balance. A force is a vector quantity, meaning it has both magnitude, how big it is, and direction, which way it acts. When more than one force acts on an object, they combine into a single resultant force, shown here as the dashed green arrow. Forces are measured in newtons. A moment is the turning effect of a force about a pivot point. It is calculated as the force multiplied by the perpendicular distance from the pivot to the line of the force. For example, a 40-Newton force acting 0.3 meters from a pivot creates a moment of 12 Newton meters. This is the principle behind spanners and torque wrenches. A longer handle gives a bigger moment for the same force. The principle of moments states that, for a body in equilibrium, the sum of the clockwise moments about a pivot equals the sum of the anti-clockwise moments. Here, 20 newtons at 1.5 meters gives 30 Newton meters, and 30 newtons at 1 meter also gives 30 Newton meters, so the beam is balanced. A couple is a pair of equal and opposite forces, acting parallel to each other, but not along the same line. Because the forces are equal and opposite, they produce no straight-line movement, only pure rotation. The torque of a couple is still force times distance, but here d is the perpendicular distance between the two forces. Turning a steering wheel with both hands is a good example of a couple. Pause the video and try this problem yourself. The moment equals force times perpendicular distance. 50 newtons times 0.3 meters gives a moment of 15 Newton meters. Question 1. What is the moment of a 20 Newton force applied 0.5 meters from a pivot? The answer is A, 10 Newton meters. Question 2. What two properties fully describe a force? The answer is B, magnitude and direction. Question 3. Two equal opposite parallel forces not acting along the same line produce. The answer is B, a couple, producing pure rotation. Here is your quick reference. A force is a vector with magnitude and direction. A moment is force times perpendicular distance. At equilibrium, clockwise moments equal anticlockwise moments. A couple's torque is also force times distance, but between two equal opposite forces. Force is measured in newtons, and moments and torque in Newton meters. That covers forces, moments, and couples. In the next video, we continue with statics, center of gravity, stress and strain. See you there.